his natural habitat. Oh, this looks intriguing.
He looks like he's gonna at me. Oh, he's got horns. Oh, quick, go.
Good morning. It is day 2 here in Wales.
Hello, good morning.
Just arrived, well, we're literally at the car park at the entrance at WATERFALls. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, so we've had a bit of a slow morning. We were both quite grumpy this morning. We hadn't eaten and we couldn't make coffee because our milk had gone down for a swim.
And everything else.
Yeah, and everything else. It's cool. And then we went back to the spa where we were yesterday. We got some more milk, got some iced coffees. And yeah, we had some cereal in the car park. Now we're gonna go see some waterfalls.
Wow.
Ooh. What?
So nice.
It's like a tiny little waterfall there. I don't know if you can see it through the trees. There's loads of little tiny ones. There's one here as well. Looks so nice. Right, let's keep going. I think Shay's gone ahead. Gonna have to go catch up. Oh no, he's there. Through there. There. See it? Wow. Wow. Big smile! There's so much fish, we're getting so wet. Oh my god, the camera's still soaked. Right, we are absolutely soaked.
That was so much fun though. Look at it.
That was so much fun. It's so
Bye,
nice.
waterfall.
Oh, that's so nice, so pretty. Bye, waterfall. Keep
Didn't need to have a
flowing
shower in the
strong.
morning, did you?
Yeah, no. Definitely didn't need to shower this morning. After that. Don't even know if you'll be able to hear me over the river. Hopefully you can. I didn't even mention though, this morning I accidentally dropped my phone down the toilet and it was fine straight away. Like I kind of just cleaned it and like dried it and it seemed to be fine. But then it wasn't. It completely just died even though I just charged it. And now it doesn't seem to be turning off. I have left it in the car because I don't want it to get more wet. Got it? Almost lost a water bottle there. Anyway, but yeah, Don't know what's going to happen to my phone. I just need to put it in a bag of rice or something. But we don't have one. We have pasta. Don't know if that will work. But yeah, hopefully my phone is fine more than it is. We'll see. So, we've just seen that waterfall. Do you want to go to another one here before?
Up to you.
Like I said before, my phone has some water damage at the minute. So,
Is it still not working?
No. So he is going to go look on my Google Maps to see what other waterfalls are putting around here, because I know there was 3 waterfalls around this area. 2 little ones. I sent you the link on messages.
I haven't got data, by the way.
You haven't got data? Well, you need data to look at the map. Well, actually, you might not if
I
it
have
loads
loaded it up before.
You have?
Let's see.
Oh, there you go. Go on it. No connection. Yeah, that's the one thing about like going to places that kind of just like in the countryside out the way, is you're not guaranteed service or connection. So then it's probably even better to, I don't know. I sometimes draw maps as well. I did actually do that for this thing. I drew a map. I just reminded myself. I've
got a map of Wales.
But I actually drew a map of all the places that we should like go see as well.
Oh, it's awesome.
My bag's literally right there.
Yeah, the map's just behind you.
Yeah, so is my bag and my map.
Where's that?
My bag, you know, my grey bag, it's literally the front one, the front pocket. Shay?
Oh, right, it's right in front of you.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah?
In the first pocket, in one of the little compartments, there's going to be 2 little books. Just bring the little black and red book. Yeah. I'm so stupid. I literally said it as I was reminding myself.
Okay.
It's at the back. And I did a checklist for Wales as well, if you want to have a look at it. That's the map. So look. Yeah. So Melancourt Waterfall we haven't done.
You just put a dot on the map.
I know, but that was.
How can we?
It says the place.
Yeah, no. We need to find that somewhere. Shit, I'll just go and ask a local, innit?
Yeah, exactly. Look at the checklist on my thing. I don't know where you've just put it. Checklist.
I'll just give it to you.
Where? You don't.
Sorry, I'll just give it to you. Oh, I see. Wales.
Yes. I reckon ask this car though if they know where either of these 2 are. No?
Yeah, sure.
Might as well.
You ask them.
Okay. Just stop here. Okay. So what he said actually kind of makes sense, because I do remember putting them really close to each other, walking distance.
Yeah, I was gonna say that to you, innit? But...
I know, but I don't know. Well, we know we definitely did the Henry.
Yeah, man, that was amazing.
That was
I'm so happy I saw that. Wow. That was crazy. That's got to be like the heaviest flow ever in England.
Don't know. Right, so what are we doing then? Are we going to start driving up to Snowdonia?
Yeah, let's do it. Do you want it?
Yeah. There's a lake up there. Did you see it? I wonder if that's the lake that feeds into the waterfall. Could be, yeah. I love all the different colours. Yeah, cats, clear, something.
Recalculating route.
It's okay. Look at this. I don't even think you can see it. It's like a statue that's got like no head.
After 500 feet, turn left.
There. So we were driving. We went past. Well, is it 100% Custard Castle? Didn't say the name there. But anyway, so we've decided to stop for a little bit, stretch our legs, and have a little look. But it was built by Romans. In 1405, it was granted borough status by Richard III. That sculpture is so cool. You can literally go up to it as well. It's just like a little armour. Ah, there's a baby in there. Why is there a baby in there? I wonder who left it. That's awesome. Here it is. Sun's coming out. Almost there. Down he comes. You could probably jump that. Actually, well, don't break your ankle. Land well. Make sure you bend your legs.
How are you getting down?
I'll get down. Now that we've done that, we're going to keep heading towards Aberystwyth. Probably have lunch in there. We'll arrive just before 12 o'clock, I think. And then after that, we're going to find somewhere to stay because we still don't have anywhere to stay tonight at Snowdonia. The place that Shay wanted to go to, that he went last time, is fully booked. So we need to ring up some other places over lunch. Hopefully find somewhere to stay tonight, and yeah, then we're gonna head into Snowdonia, probably do some hikes, some more waterfalls. Should be lots of fun. This is the first time for Aberystwyth. So just as we were a few minutes away from Aberystwyth, we saw some signs for Devil's Bridge, and even though my phone is still not working, I knew that that was somewhere that I wanted to go. It was on my list, I had it written down, thank God I did that as a backup. I didn't even know my phone wouldn't be working, but so good. And we just stopped to ask some people because we
8
stopped
miles.
seeing some signs.
Carry on. We just
Carry on?
Yeah, just carry on. Just carry
Okay, 8 miles to go. Yeah.
on. Yep.
A lake looks insane.
Too late. Too late. Way too late.
Yeah, it's monkey pot. I do know that.
Wow, look at the sheep on the map.
Yeah, little white dots.
Little white dots. Like stars in a green night sky.
Ah, there it is, Devil's Bridge. Yeah.
Excuse me, you don't know where Devil's Bridge is, do you?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This looks nice.
I've been here. Devil's Bridge.
Oh, Devil's Bridge Waterfalls, there we go. 3 bridges. There it is. Awesome. Yeah, exactly. No, free car park there. So it's free car park this way. Oh, we have to pay. I didn't bring my wallet.
Did you have to get into pay?
I think so.
Yeah, I've got a bit of them.
Do you?
Put them?
£4 each.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Hello. 2 adults, please. How long is the walk?
It takes about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay, that's fine.
That's just £8, please.
Thank you, Shay.
Cool.
So
Thank
just down the steps at the end there. If you turn left and walk to the end, you'll see all 3 bridges. Then you just turn around and follow the trail. You'll go down the gorge. If you stop at 6 and 7, you get views of the waterfalls. Please take care going down number 9, that's the steep steps.
Okay.
Over the bridge, that's fine then.
Thank you so
How
much.
much is that, Jack?
£1.
Pound. I would love a sultana and cherry one. Yes, please. And how much is the Coke? Pound?
You got water, Shay. You're carrying the water as well.
Oh yeah.
have
I've
water.
got water. That's fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Right, off we go. That's cool. Oh look, there's little bird signs here. Hold up. Let's have a little look here before. The red kite, buzzard, nuthatch and great spotted robin. Oh, you have to go in there. Go on.
Oh, that is actually so nice.
So this is Devil's Bridge.
Wow, that's amazing. It's a bridge. On top of a bridge.
On top of another bridge.
Triple bridge. What's it called? Oh, rhododendron.
Rhododendron.
Rhododendron. That's these.
Rhododendron. Oh, cool. There's no flowers now.
Purple flowers usually. Oh yeah.
Look,
So
has
that's
it
the
pink?
native.
Little birdhouse. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
You have a penny? I wonder what this is about. It's cool though.
Didn't New Forest. Just hammer them in.
Oh yeah.
You want to put one here or what?
Put it in there.
Yeah. Look, this rock.
Oh, and it literally looks like the brand newest.
Go on. Really smack it together. Hold on to the rock.
Go on.
Hold you hold it as well.
Oh no.
Go on, I'll do it.
How about here?
Yeah?
Yeah. Calm. Done. There it is. Ah! What's that animal? That looks so cute.
Don't tell me that's him.
Born in Wales in 2016.
What, they've been here since 2016?
Once widespread through the woodlands of Wales, by 1900 it had disappeared from all but one remote parts of the country. But the more
You're joking.
It's so cute.
What, they're here?
Yeah. These are the waterfalls. So beautiful. So Shay's has seen, well, he said he's seen a cave. Where's the cave?
Can't see it from here. Now the bushes are in the way, the trees are in the way, the apple trees are in the way.
How convenient.
Yeah, look how steep this is.
Yeah, I know, that's insane. Bridge looks so sketchy. So beautiful though. Wow.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Right?
Beautiful.
Seen before?
See out this dead stem on the oak tree, and at the end of it, there's a rhododendron growing out of it. You see it seaweed itself in the moss.
Alright, gonna go on the sketchy bridge.
Ready?
Yeah.
After you.
It is so slippery. Wow.
Wow. Flippers and all. Wow. 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 This is a nice boat. Wow.
Back up we go. Oh, this is the one that they said we have to be really careful on. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, here. Shay was right, it is a cave.
Robber's cave.
Robber's cave, yeah. Or Ogof y Ladron. Ladron. Ogof y Ladron.
It's not Spanish.
Do you know what ladron means in Spanish?
What?
Robber.
Rubber.
Yeah,
Ladron.
so it is ladron.
Robber. Ah, robber.
Yeah,
robber.
robber. So his name's not Robber. It's hundreds of years ago, it was a hideout for 3 hideaway robbers. As young children, they were very wicked, and while idly rambling about the woods one day, they came across a small hole in the ground. To their surprise, they had discovered a hidden cave. When they were older, the 2 young men came back to keep the secret of the cave and use it as a place to sleep and store their riches, which they had acquired from robbing people. Their sister could visit and bring them food. Occasionally, she would go out at night and steal with her brothers. They stole from the folk, travelling the country roads above their cave for many years. No one could find their hideout in the woods. However, one dark night, they robbed someone and accidentally killed him. The murdered gentleman had been well respected. His old friends took it upon themselves to search high and low for the murderers. They would even use dogs to trace the thieves back to the cave. Once found, they were smoked out of their den and captured. To prevent this cave from being used to hide out again, it was opened up, so all the remains of the cave today is that what you're standing in. Ooh, what a cool little story.
That's nice. It's a cool thing people like to touch.
Imagine having this as your little den though, your little...
Yeah, back garden.
Yeah, your little back cave. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
So that was.
Wow.
Wow. That's great. Wow, a little heart and everything.
Is that even one of the ones that we saw? I don't think it is. Yeah, that's a bit further. So nice. Why are those trees all dead?
Don't know.
Don't know.
Something.
Ready? Where are we? Oh, this way. Yeah. What did you think of the Devil's Road?
Amazing. Go there.
Would you go again?
Well, now I've already been, probably not, but
Yeah.
it was amazing. You need to go there if you haven't been there.
Why are you holding it so awkwardly? But yeah, it's pretty easy actually. It's not even that strenuous. It's just like a lot of steps. Now we're gonna head. Oh, that's a cool car. Into Aberystwyth. Looks lovely. We are now in Aberystwyth. Some lunch, and then we don't really have a plan yet, so we'll decide where we go from there. What's that? Sluice, that sounds kind of Italianish. Oh, I see pizza there. Pizza place.
Well, I know what I'm getting. Margarita.
Yeah. Seagulls there, got a crab. Yes. See you now. Yeah. Let's find a seashell.
Oh, I'm scared.
Go on then. On a seashell, but there's literally none. It's just little rocks. Big rocks. Oh, there's one! Found one! Yay! Huh?
Take the next right.
Had a lovely, lovely lunch in Aberystwyth. We had some stone-baked pizzas, which was so nice, and we managed to get some Wi-Fi from Costa to look up camping sites and bring a few, but only a couple of them answered and one was available, so we're heading there now. And yeah, I really want to go to Dolgosh Waterfalls. I saw that near the town that we're staying.
Hold on. Sorry, I wasn't.
He's out of it.
Right.
Catch you up soon. Actually in Snowdonia National Park. Saw a sign before. There's a nice river here.
Oh, they got
That's
that,
beautiful.
didn't they?
Yeah.
Girl, you know I'm in.
No. They're 5 bits from the space,
Tell
that
me
one.
what you say, yeah.
No. Yeah, it's a flat lap.
I've been waiting for
No.
you.
It's flat lap.
Proper watch it.
The hedges, yeah. So we're trying to find Bird Rock campsite, and we've just found out that that rock is indeed Bird Rock. So we're gonna go try and find the campsite now. Look at that tree! Oh my god! Look at the bottom of it! How come it's got like those springs at the bottom? It looks like it's got a tree at the bottom.
That horse.
Oh.
Oh, it's a cow.
Oh. What idiots! That is so cool. So we've just set up our tent at our next campsite. It's not as nice as the last one, but it's still very beautiful. We've got cows literally right there that we'll wake up to. Just set it up. I'm sleeping on the air mattress tonight, even though you'd think we'd be arguing about who sleeps on the air mattress, but we actually argue about who sleeps on the floor. Like, I slept on the floor the first night, so now Shay's gone out and I'm sleeping on the air mattress. Yeah, we've got a little rubbish bag there. And then, yeah. And this is Bird Rock campsite. Why have we left the chair like that? But yeah, we're probably just gonna chill tonight and then just get up early again and then do some things in the morning. There's a little like rope sewing there. I don't know what else to say. Anything else to say?
I'm looking forward to cooking some beans.
Yeah.
We got some cards to play.
Mhm.
We're gonna check out. We're going for a walk, aren't we? I think.
Yeah. You want to?
Yeah.
Okay. We did not end up going on a hike, but we ended up just starting a fire and we did some sketching before it got dark. We were
We
saying,
can have a fire at this place.
yeah.
Because the other place we weren't allowed.
Mhm.
The fire sort of makes camping, doesn't it?
Yeah, for sure. It's the best thing. I wish I'd bought marshmallows though. I didn't think. Oh, we could have had s'mores.
What have
Got Oreo. We do have chocolate, to be fair.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Oreos,
what?
chocolate.
Yeah. We could just put some chocolate and well, we don't have many of the Maryland chocolate chips, do we? Because someone.
I ate literally just one after the other.
Yeah. Very nice. And
Cheers.
well, I don't have a drink,
Yeah,
but
you can spud
cheers. I was running around pulling slate out of the ground and did a nice little circle around this bit where there's no grass. She was like, no, it's fine, put it on the grass, and he wanted it closer to the tent, so ended up having to redo it, but at least my efforts haven't gone to waste.
No, they haven't. We created a nice little fire boundary.
Mhm.
That's cool, isn't it?
Mm.
That is so cool. I was doing that. Oh, that's hot in there now. Do you hear that crackle?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
There's a nice fire there.
Claudia, the
Good.
fire builder.
Good job. That is a nice flame.
Nice.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram at ClaudiaXGonzalez. Can't really see me, but good night. When we just finished parking, we actually saw that we have a flat tire.
Oh wow.
There it is in all its glory.